Hi, looking for the high growth career in DevOps with 100% placement assistance?
Join Innovative Academy's DevOps Bootcamp, a career-proof program designed to make your job ready from day one.
Our comprehensive training covers everything you need to become a DevOps professional. Build a strong foundation in networking. Master essential Linux skills. Become an expert in cloud computing. Learn Kubernetes, Docker, Jenkins, Terraform, Ansible, and more. Work on real-time industry projects for hands-on experience.
At Innovative Academy, we don't just teach, we build your future. Create a job-winning CV. Ace every interview. Get ready with expert-led mock interviews. Our in-house team assigns interviews and tracks your progress.
Our graduates are placed in top MNCs like TCS, Accenture, Infosys, Cognizant, and more.
So what's stopping you? Take a first step towards your dream career. Join the DevOps Bootcamp today.